Hello and welcome to the Michelle David Show. Today I'm truly honored to have Dr. Bela, a renowned homeopathic doctor and a gold medalist with a 40 years of experience in her field. Welcome to the show, Dr. Bela. It's a pleasure having you.
The pleasure and honor is totally mine.
Dr. Bela, what are the common skin problems people come to you with?
Skin is the largest organ of our body. Having said that, so a lot of diseases do come in with the skin. The most common ones that come to our clinic are acne, hyperpigmentation. Having said that, we are also seeing a lot of eczema, psoriasis, and urticaria.
Right. So, doctor, how is homeopathy helping in treating acne and pigmentation?
Homeopathy is a very gentle and effective way to treat acne as well as hyperpigmentation. Let's take them one by one. Let's start with acne. Homeopathy will obviously treat the underlying cause of acne. It could be hormonal disturbance, it could be sleep disturbance, it could be simple stress, it could be genetics, or it could be just clogging of pores and excessive sebum production. So, homeopathy will obviously cure that. However, if it is because of application of cosmetics or if it is because of improper sleep habits, then that needs to be rectified. Then homeopathy obviously is not the answer. Similarly, for hyperpigmentation, we have to treat the cause. Again, it could be hormonal imbalance, it could be overexposure to the sun, it could be overexposure to a lot of cancer radiations, it could be because of post eczema, the skin gets black, it could be insulin resistance. So, whatever the cause is to be treated with homeopathy. And of course, melasma due to sun to exposure of the sun is very common. For that, we always advise a sunblock, which is the answer.
So I see a lot of people suffering with hair fall nowadays. How does homeopathy help in hair fall issues?
Homeopathy is an effective and gentle cure for all kinds of hair fall. Again, we need to know the root cause to treat it. It could be alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disorder. It could be genetic. It could be male pattern or female pattern balding. It could be nutritional deficiencies like deficiency of iron or protein or biotin B6 creates hair fall. So that has to be rectified with the nutritional supplement as needed. It could be some styling gels and chemical treatments on the hair. And it also could be frictional, like wearing of a helmet or wearing a tight ponytail or making a plait which is very tight. So these can be rectified by just not doing the needful. Rest, all causes are totally cured and treated with homeopathy.
I'm sure all the viewers would love to know what are the tips for a healthy and glowing skin?
Yes, of course. Of course, everybody knows about cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Let's go beyond that. Vitamin C serum as well as hyaluronic acid serums are really doing very well to keep your glow in. Especially, it combats the pollution that we have to, that our skin has to see every day. Also, most importantly, besides this, would be sleep. Make sure that you're getting your 8 hours of sleep according to the circadian rhythm. Make sure you're having a balanced diet with all the nutrition in it. Make sure you are de-stressing with meditation and not keeping the stress inside. And lastly, but not the least, the application of sunscreen is very important. Check your sunscreen whether it has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. If it does not, replace it immediately.
Do we also need to use sunscreen indoors as well?
Yes, we generally advise sunscreen usage in indoors as well as on a rainy day, cloudy day, or in the winters, which is when maximum of my patients forget to use the sunscreen because the sun is not shining strong. The UV radiation from these lights also do the damage. So therefore, remember, sunscreen is your best friend for hyperpigmentation. We should remember to use the sunscreen even indoors because the UV radiation from today's lights indoors also creates damage. So therefore, always remember sunscreen is your best friend.
I'm sure the audience would love to know like how safe is homeopathy for skin treatments?
So as I said, homeopathy basically creates a balance between body, mind and soul. So there cannot be anything safer than homeopathy.
No side effects?
No side effects whatsoever, whether taken long term or short term, depending on your complaint, whatever your disease is. Once the dis-ease of the body comes at ease, homeopathy is not needed. So that's the duration for which the homeopathy would be needed, which could be maybe 6 months to a year, depending on how chronic your complaint is, but it's totally safe to have it for that period.
So, Dr. Bela, I'm going to begin with the rapid fire round.
Shoot it.
Clear skin, genes, or lifestyle?
Lifestyle.
Acne trigger, oily food, or stress?
Stress.
Sunscreen must or optional?
Sunscreen non-negotiable.
Best drink for glowing skin?
Water.
Face wash or natural remedies?
Natural remedies.
One quick skincare tip in a word.
Protect your skin from sun, from cosmetics, from dust.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bela. It was a truly pleasure speaking to you.
The pleasure was totally mine.
Thank you to all our viewers for joining us today. This is Michelle David signing off. Keep watching The Michelle David Show. Stay blessed, stay inspired.